Welcome to our channel FF Idea. Today we are discussing the problems occurs in OLED screen. The OLED screen not working properly or might be not perfectly connected with its pin. So first check the connection. VCC to the Arduino 5V, ground to Arduino ground pin, SDA to A4 pin of Arduino, SCL to A5 pin of Arduino. Then you go to install library, go to sketch, include library, manage library, and search to install these two libraries, adafruit SSD1306 and adafruit GFX library to run your OLED screen properly. Downloading this library, check go in example SSD136 file example adafruit SSD136. Then I have this OLED screen, so I'm using this 128 by 64. You can change according to your OLED screen. So first check your screen is damaged or not. If it is not damaged, then I will give you a unique solution. But first subscribe to our channel. So let's see this article which is posted in Arduino where a guy has similar problem. It's doing all thing perfectly, downloading library connection, but he get the same problem. So what is the solution is this? Sometime your screen not work on this library SSD1306. So to solve this problem, I downloaded Adafruit SSD1106 because this same problems is occurring with me. This file link in description, and then you after installing this library Adafruit, go to an example and run. Then you see these types of Adafruit display on OLED screen.